guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your sketchbook to make some thumbnails for your dragon eye value drawing. So you're going to open your book and label it 8th grade art, dragon eye value drawing. You'll need a pencil, maybe an eraser, and a ruler or something straight that you can use to make straight lines. So we should probably have 8 different rectangles. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You can make a grid with your ruler and make 8 perfect rectangles if you'd like to, or you can just kind of sketch different rectangles, and these are called thumbnails. So I'm just going to sketch them on and then make them straight after. So now I'm going to just straighten up my lines. And in each one of these boxes, I'm going to create a dragon eye. And then later on, we're going to talk about it and look at these together. We're going to pick our favorite ones and make a larger drawing from the sketch or the thumbnail. These don't have to be perfect, just so you have different boxes to make your sketches in. If you'd like them to be more perfect, that's totally fine. You can go for it. You can see now that I have 8 different rectangles to do my dragon eye value drawing thumbnails in. So we're going to do one in each and add some value to it. And then we're going to have our friends and our classmates look at them, and we're going to pick the best one that we like the most, and that's what we're going to use to do our finished drawing. So you can see I have my first one done. I drew a little arrow and I wrote light so I could remember which direction the light source was coming from to help me keep my shadows and shading consistent. So now I have 2 dragon eyes that I have finished for my thumbnails. You don't have to spend too much time. You just kind of want to figure out details and where the light source is coming from, and maybe the character of your dragon, because a lot can be told from the look of an eye. So if your dragon is fierce or angry, it would show in the eye. If the dragon is friendly or maybe like a pet dragon, the eye might be different than a dragon who is more fierce. So you can kind of portray that in the eye depending on how you make the eye look. So they could be scary, they could be friendly, it's up to you. So you would try to do one for each thumbnail, and then we will get together and pick our favorite one, and I'll give you more directions on that a little later. Good luck, and I hope you find this fun.